Okay, I just want to go through the general outline of this code before we get into the details. So this is the VBA code, and I'll just give you the basic picture, then I'll talk more in detail. So there are these different programs that we're going to create in VBA, which is a kind of programming language for Excel. So one of them is called Do It Again. It's a very simple program. It's really only one line. The beginning here and the end here are just that indicate the beginning and the end. So it's just one line. But we can still call it a program. The next one is called Get New Data. And that's the main program. And what I mean by it's the main program is this is the program that we run, and then this program calls this program. In other words, in this program is called Do It Again, right? So if we look at, and it's just a very simple program, we just write a very short thing, but we can run this program by writing Do It Again. But so here's the Get New Data program. This is the main program. Now if we go through this code here, you can see some of it here and some of it here. You'll see somewhere in here that that I'm going to call Do It Again. Actually, I'm not sure if you will see that right now, but I do write Do It Again within this Get New Data. That means I run Get New Data, and then it runs Do It Again. Here it is. So somewhere in the code we write this, and that means run Do It Again. Okay? So, and that's true of the other programs other than the Get New Data program. They're all called within Get New Data. So they all perform little things that Get New Data needs to have done. That's the basic structure. So we have Get New Data, and we have the Get Rank function. Now this one just finds the rank of the book. So remember, this is all about books and getting the ranking of the books. And this goes through the Amazon page and finds the number that is the ranking for the book. Anyway, this is also called from within the Get New Data, the main subroutine or main program. And there's, I think, one or two more. There's one called Get Units Left. Now, this one, you know, when if you ever go to Amazon, sometimes they say, you better hurry and buy this book because there's only 3 more left. So that's what he's doing here. He's getting that number, the 3 more units left. So this is also a small program that the Get New Data program calls because it needs to get the units left. So that's, again, that's the organization of the programming here. And there's another one called Refresh Sheets. So we want to get every hour we want to go to Amazon and check to see if there's any new sales rankings. So that's basically what this does. And that's the whole thing. That's all the VBA that you need to do. So it's everything occurs within the Get New Data, and that calls whatever we said, 3 or 4 other programs as well. Okay, so this is the basic structure, and now we'll go into some more detail.